Join me as I dive deep into the secrets behind what really made YouTube a global sensation. YouTube has become an integral part of our daily lives, but have you ever wondered what propelled it to such incredible heights from its humble beginnings to its current status as a global phenomena? YouTube's journey is a fascinating story of innovation, perseverance, and strategic evolution. When YouTube first launched in 2005, it faced stiff competition from traditional media giants like TV and film, as well as other video platforms like Google Video and Yahoo Video. Many people doubted that potential, question whether users would actually want to watch and share videos online. Moreover, the platform had to contend with copyright issues, with many content creators hesitant to share their work online. Despite these challenges, YouTube's early adopters saw the platform's potential and began uploading and sharing content. Site's user base grew steadily, but it wasn't until 2006 that YouTube started to gain mainstream attention. The platform's popularity was fueled by the rise of social media, which provided a conduit for users to share and discover new content. Turning point came when Google acquired YouTube in 2006 for $1.65 billion. This move not only provided YouTube with the resources it needed to expand, but also helped to elevate concerns about copyright and content ownership. With Google's backing, YouTube was able to develop new features and improve, paving the infrastructure growth way for its future growth. So what made YouTube a global sensation? Right, one key factor was its emphasis on user generated content. By allowing users to create and share their own videos, YouTube tapped into a vast reservoir of creativity and diversity. The platform's algorithm, which prioritizes videos that were engaging and relevant, helped to surface the best content and make it visible to a wider audience. Another crucial element was virality. YouTube's content was designed to be shared, and the platform's social media features made easy for users to spread their favorite videos across social media and other online platforms. This created a snowball effect where popular videos could reach a massive audience in a short amount of time. Community engagement also played a vital role in YouTube's success. Right, the platform's comment section often criticized provided a space for users to interact with each other and with content creators. This helped to build a sense of belonging and posted a loyal user. Additionally, YouTube's ability to adapt to changing user behavior and technological advancement was essential. The introduction of new features like live streaming, 360-degree videos, and virtual reality content helped to keep the platform fresh and exciting. One pivotal moment in YouTube's history was the launch of its partner program 2007, which allowed content creators to monetize their videos through ads. This move helped to attract more professional creators to the platform and provided a new revenue stream for YouTube. The viral hit Gangnam Style by PSY, which was uploaded in 2012, is another example of a moment that changed YouTube's trajectory. The video's massive success helped to comment YouTube's status as a culture phenomena and demonstrated the platform's ability to launch global trends. And the years that followed, YouTube continued to evolve, introducing new features like YouTube Premium and YouTube Music. Today, the platform is an integral part of the digital landscape with over 2 billion monthly active users. In conclusion, YouTube's rise to global sensation can be attributed to a combination of factors, including its users generated content, virality, community engagement, and strategic evolution. As the platform continues to adapt to changing users' behaviors and technological advancement, it's exciting to think about what the future holds. If you have got a favorite YouTube moment, share it with me in the comments below. And if you are interested in learning more about the world of tech and innovation, be sure to check out my other video on the rise of social media. Guys,